We are pleased to show you the 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, headlights auto off. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.